How to unblock Uber driver account. If your Uber driver account is blocked, here is how you can unlock it. First thing you have to do is open up your Google Chrome or any other web browser and simply search for Uber support. And head over to help.uber.com that you see on the very first option. Once you land on the homepage of your help center, you'll find different options here like riders, driving, Uber Eats, and many more. You're going to have to click on driving and delivering. Click on it and then you'll be taken to another page where you have different topics like sign up, trips, account and apps, and many more. Tap on the option account and apps, and then from here you'll get different options like can't sign in or go online, updating your vehicle, updating documents, common phone. So all you have to do is find this option where it says I need to contact support. Just tap on it, and then from here on out you're going to have to log in to get help. So simply tap on login. And once you have done that, what you need to do next is simply enter your account name, enter your phone number, and if you're having any other issues as well. So click on this other issue, and here you're going to share details about your issue, saying that your driver's account is blocked and you want to unblock it. Give your reasonings and click on submit. Uber's help and support team will review your request, and then you'll get an email accordingly. Just follow their instruction and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.